Welcome to a demo of the CanConnect application. In this demo, we'll walk through a sign-up process, making calls, and looking at the client user mode. The sign-up process is fairly simple. It is a two-step process which starts with adding a photograph, entering your name, this would be the display name that other users would look at, signing up with an email address. I'm going to use a demo email over here, and adding your password and confirming your password. Finally, we have to click to accept that we've read and understood the terms and conditions. The second step is to enter an identity verification question. This would be a question that you would answer when you are adding a contact, and is required to enable security so that people don't organically add other users. As you can see, the interface is fairly simple. On the top left, you'll see your CanConnect number. This is a number that another user would be entering and would know in advance when adding you as a contact. You will also be able to switch to client user mode, and when contacts are there, contacts may also be filtered. It's a simple search functionality. In the next few steps, we will demo adding a contact. I'm going to enter the CanConnect number of another account on a device that I have. After entering the CanConnect number, I simply click on adding a contact. And here I enter the answer to the verification question. I can choose to notify if the user is offline, but I choose not to do so in this case. To call a contact, simply click on the call button next to your contact. I'll demonstrate a call with another device that's right next to me. You can see that the call goes through. Each party can see each other. Next, we will go through the client user mode. The client user mode is targeted towards patients with cognitive disabilities. By clicking on the switch to client user mode interface at the top, you see that our interface completely changes. This is so that users with cognitive disabilities don't see the noise that the other interface for the configurator shows them. It is very simple. They can see if a contact is available or unavailable, initiate and accept calls. I will call this user from my other device now and answer the call. As you can see, the call goes through. To exit client mode, press and hold your finger on any part of the screen for 5 seconds. Click on the lock icon that appears and enter the digits in reverse order. Click on submit, and we are back in configurator mode. We can adjust some of our settings. I'll go over some of these, such as availability. A user may be online, offline, or always online. In online mode, a user may only receive calls when the app is on the screen, and will appear offline if the app is in the background or the phone is locked. Sleep mode may be enabled. This will allow users to not be contacted between certain periods of time. That's it for now. Thank you for joining us for this short demo.